Bright Duty. Every student matters.
A certain household has consumed 250 units of energy during a month. Now, when I talk about units, we have studied that 1 unit is nothing but it is 1 kilowatt hour, right? So, when I am talking about 250 units, they are actually 250 kilowatt hour, right? And I know the relationship between kilowatt hour and joule, that is 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. So, how much energy is this in joules? We have to simply use the unitary method, that if 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 in 10 to the power 6 joule, then 250 kilowatt hour must be equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 multiply by 250, these many joules. These many joules. Simply, I'll just multiply it. I'll just remove this decimal and I'll just cut it off. I'm left with 36 multiplied by 25 into 10 to the power 6 joules. Multiplying it, I'll get 900 into 10 to the power 6 joules, or I can also write 9 into taking these two zeros also to the 10 to the power value, 9 into 10 to the power 8 joule. This is the amount of energy that this household is using in a month in joules, right? Find the energy in kilowatt hour. In commercial unit, we are being asked to calculate the energy consumed in 10 hours. So, the time is given to us to be 10 hours, right? It is already in hours. By 4 devices of power 500 watt each. So, if the power of one device is 500 watts and there are 4 devices, therefore, the total power will be 500 watt multiplied by 4, that comes out to be 2000 watt. And since we need to calculate the energy in kilowatt hour, hour is already there, but we need to convert this watt into kilowatt. We can do it right here and now only, or we can do later after calculating the answer also. Better is you calculate it right now. So, converting this watt into kilowatt, how we are going to do it? Just by dividing it with 1000, then we will get the value to be kilowatt. So, now I get the power to be 2 kilowatt. What I need to find is, I need to find the energy. I know that energy is equal to the product of power and time. Simply putting the values, power we have just calculated 2 kilowatt, time given to us was 10 hour. So, it comes out to be 20 kilowatt hour. So, this will be the energy consumed by this particular 4 devices which are having power of 500 watt each. And this is all about our work and energy. I hope you have understood the chapter. Please revise the chapter again. Please try to relate all the formulae used. We have used work done, we have used the formula for energy, whether it is kinetic or potential, then we have talked about the power, fine, and then the electrical energy consumed. So, please try to relate all these formulae and please try to do all the numericals with your own hand to get a good command over these. And while doing the numericals, please make sure to see and observe the units. Most of the times I have found that the students, they lose marks just because they do not take care of the units. No matter how well you know the formula, but if you have not converted the units, then in that case the answer is not right and you will be not granted marks into it. I hope you have understood it all. Thank you so much.